Hello मेरे geniuses, after watching this interesting genius video, आप भी जान जाओगे. You will also know where and how to use conjunctions so you can score full marks in exams. अब सबसे पहला conjunction, the first conjunction is and. And is used to join similar statements or ideas. For example, Virat Kohli is a fast runner between the wickets. MS Dhoni is a fast runner between the wickets. अब ये जो दो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं दे आर पोर्ट्रेइंग सिमिलर आइडियाज, हेंस इनको हम लिख सकते हैं एज विराट कोहली एंड MS धोनी आर फास्ट रनर्स बिटवीन द विकेट्स. अब सेकंड कंजंक्शन है बट. ठीक है, but is used to join sentences that have a contrast between them. For example, AB de Villiers is a great fielder. Virat Kohli is better. अब ये जो दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स हैं अगर आप देखोगे they are showing a contrast between them. Hence, they can be written as AB de Villiers is a great fielder, but Virat Kohli is better. The third set of conjunctions is although and though. These conjunctions are also used to join sentences that show contrast. For example, Dhoni had severe back pain. Dhoni still played. अब ये जो दोनों sentences हैं इनको हम लिख सकते हैं as although Dhoni had severe back pain, he still played. Though can also be used instead of although. अब जो चौथा conjunction है वो है or. We use or to join sentences that present two different options and we have to choose one. For example, would you send Rohit as the opener? Would you send Kohli as the opener? अभी जो दोनों sentences हैं ये बन जाएंगे would you send Rohit as the opener or Kohli? The fifth set of conjunctions is either or and neither nor. अब ये जो conjunctions है ये हमेशा pairs में use होते हैं, तो they suggest selection या rejection of alternatives. For example, we can either pick Bumrah or Ishant for the next match. We neither picked Shami nor Umesh for the upcoming series. The sixth set of conjunctions is not only and but also. अब ये जो paired conjunctions है they provide additional information. We use it while talking formally. For example, MS Dhoni is a great wicketkeeper batsman. MS Dhoni is a good bowler. तो अब ये सेंटेंस बन जाएगा MS Dhoni is not only a great wicketkeeper batsman but also a bowler. The seventh set of conjunctions is both and. अब ये जो paired conjunction है ना, this also suggests additional information. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे क्रिकेट इज पॉपुलर इन इंडिया, क्रिकेट इज पॉपुलर इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. तो ये सेंटेंस बन जाएगा या ये स्टेटमेंट बन जाएगा क्रिकेट इज पॉपुलर इन बोथ इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. द एट सेट ऑफ कंजंक्शंस इज बिकॉज, एज, सिंस. अब ये जो कंजंक्शंस हैं ये इंडिकेट करते हैं द रीजन फॉर समथिंग हैपनिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही कुडंट स्कोर द बाउंड्री, हिज बैट ब्रोक. तो ये सेंटेंस बन जाएगा he couldn't score the boundary because his bat broke. Now instead of because we can also use as or since. The ninth set of conjunctions is if and unless. These conjunctions show condition. For example, Rishabh Pant must try for the wicketkeeper's position. Rishabh Pant will get selected. तो ये स्टेटमेंट बन जाएगा if Rishabh Pant tries for the wicketkeeper's position, he will get selected. अब ऐसा करते हैं, एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, select the correct conjunctions to complete the sentence below. Due to dash poor management dash lack of resources, India doesn't perform well in Olympics. आपके ऑप्शंस हैं पहला neither nor, सेकंड both and, और तीसरा because if. अब देखो भाई, because is used for reason and if is used for condition. तो combined together ये दोनों तो won't make any sense in this question, है ना, इसलिए ये तो ऑप्शन हो गया incorrect. अब neither nor जो है that is used to reject alternatives which the question isn't doing, तो ये भी ऑप्शन हो गया गलत. Now the question gives out additional information in the first part, इसलिए only option 2 can be used for presenting additional information. Hence the correct option is option 2. Due to both poor management and lack of resources, India doesn't perform well in Olympics. So now that you know where and how to use conjunctions, and you can now easily score full marks in your exams. वैसे अगर आप चाहो तो थोड़ी सी और प्रैक्टिस अपने जीनियस ऐप पे आप कर सकते हो. फिलहाल टाइम फॉर मी टू गो, बट आई विल बी बैक विद अनदर अमेजिंग जीनियस वीडियो. तब तक के लिए जीनियस से पढ़ो, जीनियस बनो.